because we proceed from first principles. All right, everybody else just, well, this is the way we do it. This is the way we've always done it. This works, you know, works for me, so we do it this way. That's not what we're going to do here. What we are going to discover is what should happen and why should it happen. And then we're going to tailor our program to make that occur. All right, it's terribly important that we have a logical approach to this problem. So, what is the problem?
Strength.
What is strength?
Ability to produce force. Sorry.
Is what?
Ability to produce force against external resistance.
That's exactly right. Their strength is the ability to produce force against an external resistance, and this is a strength program. This is not aesthetics. This is not abs. This is not muscle groups. This is not muscularity or definition, obviously, right? This is about strength. All right, strength is why we're here, and strength is what we do. Now, who does strength apply to? 25-year-old single guys? Everyone. It applies to everybody. And as a result, the target demographic for our gyms is an older demographic. It's, we've probably got system-wide, we probably have 25% females in the gym, maybe 30, depending on location. But our target demographic are 55-year-old males who use Viagra. Now think about that. I'm being totally ass serious.
I know these men, so exactly.
Yeah, of course you do. Now, all of you do. You know these guys. They're motivated. They're motivated. They are not happy about being 55, and their back hurts all the time. Right? Typically, these guys come to the gym. They're in the gym for 3 weeks, and they'll come in and one morning and say, you know, my back hasn't hurt in about a week. My back stopped hurting like a week and a half after I started here. And my back's been hurting for 10 years. And what we say is, tell your friends. And they do tell their friends. And their friends come sign up. Right? Because this works every time it's applied correctly. And we make sure it's applied correctly starting here today. All right? And what we have to understand is why being stronger is valuable to the client base, and therefore is valuable to you to coach. Okay? So, what is strength? It's terribly important. Strength is not resilience to disease, although that's important, and it's a side effect of strength. Strength is not the ability to perform agility drills, although strength contributes to that. Strength is not a low 100-meter dash time, although it contributes to that, and that's why sprinters train for strength. What is strength?